Hey, welcome to my channel. Yet another video that I'm going to do showing you something I've never done before, and that is taking a AC that's about 10 years old. So it's about 10 years old, and I'm going to take it apart. I'm going to clean it up as best as I possibly can, and I'll show you the before and after. So obviously you can see now that it's very dirty. I have to put gloves on, and you know, I'm a firm believer that certain machines should be allowed to continue to, you know, I guess the word I'm trying to say is to continue to help you out, especially when it's starting to get hot out here. Don't go out there and spend a new AC when you can try to do things yourself. I know the easy way out is to buy a new AC, spend $150, $200, $300 depending on the CPU and whatever. So yeah, my wife is back there, so she's like, good luck. That's what good luck. So don't come over here. Thank you. So she gave me some water with some soap to clean it, and I got my towel ready just to clean everything out. But the first thing what I want to do is take everything apart. This is a retirement life, basically, right? So this is supposed to be some stuff that in case the screw is wasted. This is supposed to take it out. So let's see if I can actually do it. Okay, I had to pause the video. So I'm still trying to unscrew this thing. So I'm finally getting it. This easy out thing does work. So you can see, I'm gonna go a little closer. All right, so you can see how it looks. And let's see if I can get it out. Oh look, it's already loose. So actually, by using this part and the thicker part of it, I was managed to get this loose. So I got it loose. Look at that. Wow, as you can see how it looks. Wasted. But I used this end of it and really put pressure on it, and then it came out. It really did. It works. All right, so after taking a bathroom break, so far I haven't even taken this apart yet, and it's already been 20 minutes into it because obviously I had an issue with one of the screws. So this goes to the right. Okay, these were easy to take out. Just gotta bend it a little bit. Let's take this one out. Just gotta bend it a little bit. So this is to the left. This one is to the right. So let's put this one down here. So by taking this out, you can see that it's not even necessary. So I'm not even gonna bother. I'm gonna put this right back. Again, it's the first time I'm doing this, so I'm just gonna put this back. put this over to the side. You don't need you. So take a look how it looks inside. You can see how mildew and how filthy. So I'm going to clean this out as best I can. Is to try to unscrew this here. See if I could. Okay, so the beauty of having this 90-degree joint is because I can't reach it regular, so now I'm using this. Okay, I'll show you. So I actually broke this part of the fan, which is, I guess, is okay. I'm not going to worry about it too much. It is just extra protection. As long as I keep it screwed, I'm okay. So I did manage to take the fan out. Okay, so this here I cannot take out. As you can see, this here I'm not going to take out. So I'm just leaving it like that. But I managed to get this out. So I'm going to take this and clean it. All right, so I'm going to be using my toothbrush. No, don't worry. I'm not planning to use my toothbrush again. All I'm doing is just trying to get rid of all the dust here. This is very sharp, so it can cut. So using a firm toothbrush, I can clean it out. It goes right in there, which is cool. I don't know if you can see the dust come out. All right, so I got to be careful how I move this because I have it wet, but it's very sharp. So I got to be very careful I don't get cut. The dirt, and here's, look at that, dirt, over 10 years of dirt. Wow, got it. Got it out. So this is only for people who have nothing else planned and want to learn stuff like this. But those who have the money and want to spend money, go right ahead. I like to fix things. That's what old school men do. All right, so now I'm just cleaning. Doesn't have to be 100%, but I'm cleaning everything that I possibly can, what I can reach. And in case anybody wants to know what I'm using, Lysol. Using the brush. The brush actually works good. It gives it a good, I'm able to move around with the brush without having to getting cut. All right, I'm going to show you this because I want you to see what I just did. So I cleaned that really good. So now I'm going to show you this, and I'll show you the before and after. All right, so let me see if I could put this back. So I cleaned it as best as I possibly can. I disinfected it. So now the idea is to put this back. All right, so I just cleaned this one, as you can see. Okay, I'm just gonna add this little thing here. And then let's add the screw just to, because it belongs there. To me, that's tight enough. All right, so I got this going. Let's put this baby back. I'm about maybe an hour away from finishing up. All right, so this obviously dirty as well, so as you can see. So I'm gonna be cleaning this out as well. Look how dirty that is. All right, so I just cleaned these, and now I'm not gonna put this back yet. Let's keep it over here. But this one I could put back. We got something else to clean. That's this baby. The foam. So this is going to be the next thing I'm going to clean, and pretty much after this I clean that, then it will be this. All right, so I cleaned this here. Now to try to figure out how this goes. Nice. Everything is intact. And let's use these final two screws.
It starts with
All right, so what's my final verdict on trying to clean this up and put it back together? I'm deciding not to do it because after doing some research, again, this is a 2015 AC with eco mode, economy mode. You have the electric, the motor here. I don't know whether I should continue to put it together or just throwing it away. Now, somebody brought up a good point. If I buy a new system, would it save me more money in the long run? On my Con Ed bill, knowing that having a newer model. Now, forget the fact with the mildew. I cleaned all that out. I got that all working just fine. Everything is going to work just fine. My question is, spending $200 on a new system, would it be better saving money than if I was to get this old system? If I was to keep this old system. Getting a new AC, would it save me money if I was to get a new system and get rid of this old one that's about 10 years old? And would it save me money on a Con Ed bill? That is the question. I don't know, but my wife wants me to go get a new one. So I put 2 hours into trying to I spent 2 hours trying to get this clean, ready to go to work. But it's starting to get hot out here. But she told me, let's just buy a new one. I'm getting 2 of them. There's already one I clean. I'm getting another 2 of them. It's going to cost me $400. I don't know. I don't know. Look, it's working fine. This is working just fine. I don't even know what to do or say or whatever. You know what? I'm gonna put it back together. Guys, look, comment below. Please tell me if I'm being stubborn and I'm decided to fix this AC, not fix it, but clean it. And I cleaned it very well. It sounds wonderful. I have it on eco mode. There it goes. It says only fan only. Now AC. Clean air, that's not showing. Filter reset. Nothing. Everything is working fine on this Energy Star Frigidaire AC that's about 10 years old that I just cleaned and put back together. Give me your thoughts on whether I should just get a new one or stick with this one. So tell me what you think I should do. Should I get rid of it and get a new one? Maybe I'll save utility bills, Con Ed bill, if I was to get a new AC that's supposed to work more efficient, energy saver compared to a 10-year-old. Let me know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. This is Sammy, and I am out.